Welcome to this presentation of groundwater sustainability and water supply monitoring in Rohingya camps of Bazar. I'm Mostafizur Rahman, working in the DPHE Bangladesh. So today we are going to discuss about several issues. So let's actually who are Rohingya? They are actually the minority of the minority community, and the government of Bangladesh declared them as FDMN people, but UN system refers to the Rohingya refugees. And the influx actually started in 1942, but in 2071 there is the major influx, and more than 1 million Rohingya people entered in Bangladesh. So what happened after the Rohingya influx? Actually, the people has intensified groundwater resource stress, and there's problem with the water resource management in Coxsbazar district, especially in Ukhia, where the groundwater is mostly we rely on groundwater. So during dry season, when the groundwater level goes down and less water in the streams, so the people are facing lots of water crisis. So DPHE and other NGOs were trying to supply water to the water tanking. Here some pictures you can find. And if we consider the water demand and supply, almost we are trying to satisfy the Rohingya people, but sometimes in the dry season, there is some less supply. If we consider the water extraction, actually, in 2023, there was a huge extraction, and the abstract was 16,849 meter cube. So it's so much huge. Initially, the influx, the type of influx, 2017, there were mostly hand tubers. It was in the shallow aquifer, but later on we constructed the hand tubers in the deeper aquifer. But in present, we are trying to convert all the hand tubers to the piped water supply scheme, and we are trying to use the solar system and auto correlation, so we can disinfect the water easily and supply the fresh water to the community. In Teknaf, especially we are using the surface water, so we constructed a reservoir, its capacity 90,000 liter cube, and we try to treatment the water to a treatment plant, and the capacity of treatment plant 200 liter cube per day. So for the monitoring purpose, we established a groundwater monitoring lab, and here we developed 6 major parts, geological map and other of the system. Let's see. In the surface geological map, we started from April 29, and finally we developed a geological map at the December 2020. During study, we divided the zone in 9 zones. We divided the area in 9 zones. So that we can consider the potential zone mapping. And if we consider the zone 1, that's mainly upper parts of Ukhia. Here is the water demand is around 20 million meter per year, but the reserve is higher. That's means 38 million meter per hour. But still now the water drops more than 14 meter during irrigation season at shallow depth. If we consider zone 8, that's the treatment camp area. Here, the estimated annual reserve is 30 million meter per year, but due to low reserves, the groundwater level drops more than 4 to 5 meter during dry period. So when we are considering the groundwater model development, we considered 10 ERT survey data and 70 logs, so that we can develop a standard groundwater model. And here we consider 3 phase, and the last one is phase 3. It was 2021. So we calculated the groundwater research by WordPass software. We considered the 20 years data, and we get the output research run up an actual ET. So we saw that at the layer 4, just in Dupiti lab, the depth more than 170 meter to 300 meter, the impact was so much. And the material predicted drawdown is 12.5 meter in June 2025. Earlier it was 10.5 meter. So we get the key points from the model that if we water supply remains 25 liter per capita per day, the drawdown will be 12.5 meter. But if we increase the water supply, it will be 21 meter, which will likely be the impact on the host community was. So if we consider the real-time monitoring with the groundwater monitoring lab, we see that the pattern is almost same. So we can consider the groundwater model data as authentic. So still there are some challenges to regulate the total abstraction, water management, lack of pollution, climate change. But I think by the proper monitoring and to reserve the surface water, we can overcome the challenges. Thank you very much.